As you can see, there are a ton of new Raker Finn items and samples. Some of the things are actually ready to go for you, but a lot of the things are just samples and prototypes that I wanted to share with you guys as some sneak peeks, like the hat. Some of the jewelry needs to be some tweaks to it, but even though it has been a back and forth process with a lot of these things, getting samples, redoing the samples, waiting for them, I'm very proud of where the brand has come. I'm very proud of what I've been able to do, and I'm so happy that you guys have been along for the journey and also supporting me as well. Eventually one of these days I hope that the brand becomes self-sufficient and takes over as my main job type thing, but I'm just pretty happy with where things have come. So it's only up from here. We still have half a year left in the year, and I have so many more goals that I wanted to achieve that I set for myself at the beginning of the year, and I think I'm on track to do a lot of them. So be on the lookout for the next drops that are coming soon, hopefully in July. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the stuff that's been being put out. So we are back in the room. As you can see, did a little try-on haul for some things that I had recently just purchased, but also at the same time, what you didn't see is me getting rid of a lot of things. So as I've preached before on previous videos on the channel in general, that whenever I get something, I always try and get rid of something or get rid of multiple things, mainly because after a certain amount of time, I just don't wear things anymore. I buy things thinking that I like them, and then reality sits in after I wear them a few times, and it's not part of my style anymore, you know what I mean? And I think that's the beautiful thing about style, is being able to refine it the way that you like as you grow, as your preferences change. So that's the thing that I always try to preach when people are asking me or trying to get into fashion or just trying to find their own personal style, is you really just gotta figure out what your baseline is. Find the things that give you the joy, whether it's a certain era, whether it's a certain look or aesthetic, whether it's a certain person that you kind of view as your, fashion icon, and use that as your base template. Obviously, trends come and go, but certain things that are trends stick with you as a staple. And that has happened to me in the past. Certain things I love, certain things I hate, but that's what makes trying new things and stepping outside of your comfort zone so beneficial to you, because you get to learn and build on your style as you grow and evolve. So with that being said, yeah, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or my Poshmark or anything like that, I'm always putting stuff, not always, but I'm putting stuff on there often and letting people know on my Instagram that I do, whether it is vintage jackets that I don't wear anymore, whether it's knitwear that I don't wear anymore, t-shirts, shoes. Actually, this pair of shoes right here is actually on my Poshmark. I think they retailed for like $180, and now I think I'm selling them for like $35. Huge discounts. It's almost like a thrift store. But on the topic of refining style, I figured I would show you guys just a few outfits of what I'm personally gravitating towards right now, and especially with the summer times, might as well showcase some outfits for you. So let's do that. So I don't wear shorts, mainly for this reason. I just don't like how they look on me. But if I were to wear shorts, this is how I would wear them. And yes, I'm gonna be wearing white socks with black shoes. It's just, you know, it's just the way it is. Michael Jackson did it, I can do it. But yeah, this is why I don't like shorts.